Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel before the starting the video. So in today's video I will discuss the Python variable. This is very important topic. So let's start the video. Variables are containers for storing data values, creating values. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. So example, 5 equal to x equal to 5, y equal to John. Print x. It is like a, we define the first 5 value as an integer and then the string value we store in the y. So this is the name of the data. We can say that the variable is the name of the data. Then this is the output of this code. So variable do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. So x equal to 4, x equal to Sally, print x is a Sally. So this example I just purchased from some I think I don't remember the site of the name, but yeah, this is also case sensitive, as we can say that a equal to 4, it is a small letter, then the print 4, the capital A equal to Sally is a Sally, so it is also case sensitive. Typecasting. So if you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. X equal to string 3, x will be the 3. The y equal to int 3, y will be the 3. So z equal to float 3, z will be the 3.0. So this is the integer and the string will be the print in the single quote, that is the string. Get the type. You can get the type data type of the variable with the type function. So x equal to 5, y equal to John, print type x, class is a int. So x is the type of the int, like a 5 is a integer, John is a string, type of y, it is a string. This is the output of this code. Single or double quotes. String variable can be declared either by using single or double quotes. There is no difference between the single or double quote. We can put it both of them. So x equal to double quote in the John, x equal to John in the single quote. So there are no difference between the output. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. So please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like the button and share with your friends. Please support me. Thank you so much.